In this tutorial, I'm gonna be walking through a few different steps to stop Adobe Acrobat automatically crashing problem. Our first solution is we have to turn off some settings in our Acrobat. So from your Acrobat, click on Edit and open Preferences. In Category, select General. And here we have to uncheck this Show Online Storage when opening files option. And then select Security Enhanced in this left-hand menu. And here we have to disable this option, Enable Protected Mode at Startup. So uncheck it, click on Yes. After doing this, click on OK to save changes. And now close your Adobe Acrobat and then go ahead and relaunch your Adobe Acrobat and check it's automatically crashing or not. The second solution is we have to check for any issues in our Adobe Acrobat. So from your Adobe Acrobat, click on Menu, click on Help, and click on Repair Installation. And it will take some moments to complete this process, so be patient here. Once the process complete, close your Adobe Acrobat and go to your desktop. In desktop, go ahead and relaunch the Adobe Acrobat and check your issue. So after following these settings, if you're still having the same error, in this case, you have to completely uninstall and remove Adobe Acrobat from your computer and then go ahead and reinstall the Acrobat in your PC. This may fix your problem.